I absolutely love this car. Although it is hard to drift, once you get it to slide, it's actually really rewarding and nice to handle. It's just perfectly balanced, and it kind of likes it. It's a bit different than a GT3RS because you can pull it really far, as you saw in this corner here. So we're switching to POV cam now because, I don't know, I think it's probably one of the sickest views. This car has so much grip, it's insane. Wow, ow. But once it breaks loose, you have to fight back, otherwise you're gonna end up in a ditch. I have to concentrate a little bit while driving this car compared to the other ones because it is just such a handful to drive. I love it every time I drive it. And then once I get home, I'm happy that I survived without anything happening. Because this car you need to handle properly, otherwise you have some issues. But once you do that, it's a lot of fun. Yeah, this is way better than sitting in some overpriced property on a lake and looking at cars staying around. Meine Münzen fliegen hinten nochmal um. I'm sweating so much right now. This is such a workout. Probably one of the greatest drives I have done in the last few months though. So much fun. Okay, that was a pretty romantic drive to say the least. My whole back is completely wet now. Like I said, this car is truly so hard to drive, but I love it. To me, this is, I don't care what anybody else says, this is way more fun than a GT3RS. I'm allowed to say it because I own a GT3RS.